Imagine a night so fierce, thunder crackled like 1,000 fireworks, but for one small village it became a beacon of hope. As the storm raged, the village faced its greatest fear, an encroaching fire from the drought-stricken hills. Just when all seemed lost, the torrential downpour unleashed a flood that snuffed out the flames, protecting homes and lives. The villagers emerged, soaked but grateful, realizing that nature's fury had become their savior, uniting them in resilience and gratitude.